Rod. A straight, round stick, shaft, bar, cane, or staff. A longitudinal pole used for forming part of a framework such as an awning or tent. Fishing, a long slender usually tapering pole used for angling, fishing rod. A stick, pole, or bundle of switches or twigs, such as a birch, used for personal defense or to administer corporal punishment by whipping. An implement resembling or supplanting a rod, particularly a cane, that is used for corporal punishment, and metonymically called the rod, regardless of its actual shape and composition. A stick used to measure distance, by using its established length or task-specific temporary marks along its length, or by dint of specific graduated marks. Archaic, a unit of length equal to 1 pole, a perch, 1/4 chain, 5 + 1 2 yards, 16 + 1 2 feet, or exactly 5.0292 meters, these being all equivalent. An implement held vertically and viewed through an optical surveying instrument such as a transit, used to measure distance in land surveying and construction layout, an engineer's rod, surveyor's rod, surveying rod, leveling rod, ranging rod. The modern, U.S., engineer's or surveyor's rod commonly is 8 or 10 feet long and often designed to extend higher. In former times a surveyor's rod often was a single wooden pole or composed of multiple sectioned and socketed pieces, and besides serving as a sighting target was used to measure distance on the ground horizontally, hence for convenience was of 1 rod or pole in length, that is, 5 + 1 2 yards. Archaic, a unit of area equal to a square rod, 30 + 1/4 square yards or 1160 acre. A straight bar that unites moving parts of a machine, for holding parts together as a connecting rod or for transferring power as a drive shaft. Anatomy, a rod cell, a rod-shaped cell in the eye that is sensitive to light. Biology, any of a number of long, slender microorganisms. Chemistry, a stirring rod, a glass rod, typically about 6 inches to 1 foot long and 1/8 to 1/4 inch in diameter that can be used to stir liquids in flasks or beakers. Slang, a pistol, a gun. Slang, vulgar, a penis. Slang, a hot rod, an automobile or other passenger motor vehicle modified to run faster and often with exterior cosmetic alterations, especially one based originally on a pre-1940s model or, currently, denoting any older vehicle thus modified. Ufology, a rod-shaped object that appears in photographs or videos traveling at high speed, not seen by the person recording the event, often associated with extraterrestrial entities. Mathematics, a Cuisenaire rod. Rail transport, a coupling rod or connecting rod, which links the driving wheels of a steam locomotive. Construction, to reinforce concrete with metal rods. Transitive, to furnish with rods, especially lightning rods. Slang, vulgar, transitive, to penetrate sexually. Slang, to hot rod. R O D, rod.